The tree-dappled light is amazing. The water is crystal clear.
He's coming this way.
He is coming this way. When you're tired of the hustle and bustle of the city, you'll want to be soothed by the abundance of nature. In times like these, we recommend a picnic in Higashi-Kurume. Is this really part of Tokyo? A stroll through Higashi-Kurume, a town of spring water streams and the largest bamboo grove in the city. When you think of Tokyo, many people imagine skyscrapers, busy train stations, and a fast-paced urban lifestyle. While the western part of Tokyo is known for its vast forests, this town is just about 30 minutes by train from central Tokyo's Ikebukuro. Surprisingly, in this urban area of Tokyo lies a region of clear spring water and gently rustling bamboo groves that few know about. This time, we feature Higashi-Kurume City, Tokyo. A town that lives in harmony with nature, only 30 minutes by train from the city center. Even families with small children can easily enjoy a picnic here. The symbol of Higashi-Kurume City is the ukiyo-e River. Its most notable feature, nearly all of its water comes from natural springs. Underground water emerges from the ground to form this flowing stream. Near the Shitaya Bridge, where the ukiyo-e River merges with the Kurume River, the daily flow reaches 50,000 tons. Surrounding the river is lush forest, and the riverbanks are home to kingfishers, herons, and spot-billed ducks, among others. With just a casual sweep of a net under the water's edge, we caught a big batch of small shrimp. We released them immediately after filming. After the sand settles, you can appreciate how clean and clear the water is. One of the fish caught is likely the juvenile form of the donko, a now rare native species.
I don't know why they don't.
It may be a domestic non-native species.
I think they're scared. Let's see, what do we have in here? Let's talk about it later.
Scenes of locals strolling along the river, admiring the flowers and waterfowl, or children playing in the stream. This is an everyday sight here. In June 2008, ukiyo-e River and Minamisawa Spring Group was the only Tokyo location selected for the Ministry of the Environment's Heisei 100 Famous Waters list. The water flows gently with high clarity, and aquatic plants sway beneath the surface. Unless it rains heavily, The water stays crystal clear and shallow, often just slightly deeper than an adult's ankle, making it safe for children. On weekends, riverbank areas are covered with tents and picnic sheets, so weekdays, except school holidays, are recommended for a quieter experience. Along the shore, reeds and water celery grow thickly. Mixed with the sound of the flowing stream, birdsong can be heard. It makes you forget you're still in Tokyo. In the main area, you might not see fish, but walk downstream from the plaza to the first visible bridge, and you may spot relatively large fish, likely kawamutsu, a species of dace. About 5 minutes walk from Ochi River lies Chikurin Park, Bamboo Grove Park. When we think of bamboo groves in Japan, Kyoto's Arashiyama comes to mind. But unlike the always crowded Arashiyama, this park is never busy. It's a hidden gem perfect for photography or filming. You won't have to worry about people getting in your shot. So that you can better enjoy the sights and sounds of the bamboo forest, we will have minimal explanation during our walk. I've visited 4 times and only encountered other people twice. This video was filmed almost entirely uncut. One corner of the park also contains a spring that serves as a tributary of the clear stream mentioned earlier. The park was originally a bamboo forest that has been carefully preserved and open to the public. Admission is free. As you pass through the gate, a refreshing breeze greets you, and the sound of bamboo leaves rustling in the wind tickles your ears. A narrow path winds through the bamboo grove, and in summer, the song of cicadas, higurashi, echoes through the air. It's an ideal place for observing seasonal wildflowers and insects, a rare opportunity to connect with the nostalgic landscape of Japan. Just beware of mosquitoes in summer. From Higashi-Kurume Station, on the Seibu-Ikebukuro line, both Ochiai River and Chikurin Park are within walking distance. From Ikebukuro, take the express or semi-express train, about 25 to 30 minutes. There are cafes and bakeries in front of the station, perfect for a pre- or post-hike break. In this series, we will be introducing places in Tokyo that not even most locals know. So if you're interested, please subscribe. There is a toilet. Basically, toilets in Japan are clean. There is a vending machine in the park. Also, just 10 minutes from the station by free shuttle bus, there's a large hot spring facility called Spa Stadium Japan. Why not drop by after your picnic to soak away the day's fatigue? You'll be surprised such a place exists in Tokyo. That's the magic of Higashi-Kurume. The purity of the spring water, the babble of the river, the rustling of bamboo in the wind. A walk embraced by the rhythms of nature will refresh your spirit and ease your travel fatigue. Why not come discover another side of Tokyo for yourself? Japan Bee is a channel that randomly shares information about lesser-known aspects of Japanese culture, spanning across various genres.